I will be removing the rear windshield wiper from a 2015 Jeep Limited 4x4, and I'm going to be trying to do this with one hand because I'm holding the camera with my other hand. So anyhow, here we go. First what you have to do is a cap on the back. You have to pop that up and it just pops right up. You stand this straight up as far as it goes without forcing it. Then you make this wiper perpendicular to what you want, and then with just a little bit of juggling, the thing pops right out. And as you can see, there's a notch, a groove right there that fits on this part of the wiper. So that aside, you bring your new one in, you set it in there, you drop the blade, and drop it in, it drops right in, push it down, snaps, lay it flat, hook up the cap, snap it, and it's all done, ready to go.